How you doing there, YouTubers? Gonna do a unboxing video. I'm not too hype on all those. Never done one, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and do one on this one. This one's on a mini chainsaw. First off, I bought it off eBay. Well, came from China. Didn't know it was going to. I thought it was coming from the United States. It literally took forever to get here. When it got here, let's see, it's wrapped with probably about a roll of, what do you call it, packing tape. Looks like it went through customs and been cut open. The package is quite soggy. Let me rip it open. Let's see. Cardboard on the box. Wow. Still open. Okay. Here's what we got. Hear things bouncing around in here. Let's see. Here's the specifications on that. I'll hold them up for a little bit. Oh, I'm thinking they're going to be backwards, and that's going to be really pointless. Of course, unless you want to read it in the mirror, and I know me watching a video, I sure would. So, packing, gone. This cardboard box is soaking wet. I don't know, maybe it got caught in Hurricane Zeta on the way over. Don't know. So let's unpack it. Well, a little bit of dry cardboard here. Not packed like I would expect. Little foam. Instruction manual. Oh, good pictures. Oh, and actually has some that actually has English written. I don't know. Let's see what we got here. Oh, here's a nice little packaged deal. Fits in there quite nicely. Let's see. This is the 24 volt F Easy D special battery electric chainsaw. Looks like the charging port for it is you pull the battery off and charger plugs in there. Here's the charger. Holy cow, that charger weighs about 3 ounces. Let's see. Yep, plugs in right there. Let's see if this thing's charged up. Go time. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. Got the chainsaw bar. Boy, that thing's huge. Yeah. Whew. It is a little pruning tool. Got your little wrench to take this little thing. Well, that's quite loose. Get the little nut off. If you're familiar with chainsaws, this seems to be, well, got a little drive gear in there. Got a little and looky there. Even give you a Phillips screwdriver. Yeah, this is going to be fun. My wife just pulled in the driveway, and she's probably going to ask me, what in God's name am I doing? Well, I will be telling her I'm doing an unboxing video. So, you'll hear that on there. Comes with the saw chain. Let's see what we got with this. We got this majorly huge flippin' chainsaw chain. Let's see. Oh! They amazingly give you a little diagram right up here of which way to put the chain to run, because obviously, you know, they can run, you can put them on backwards. So I'm going to attempt to put this one on correctly. Yeah. I'm not over here talking to myself. I'm doing a unpacking video. So, would you like to be on the video? No. I didn't think so. So, let's see. Here we go. We're putting this thing in the little thing. Obviously, line that up on the little parts here and the adjustment screw. Well, the adjustment screw is hidden right there. So, I'm going to adjust this out. And from the looks of it, it's to adjust it out, you would, well, keep this chain on here. It's a little cold out today. Halloween day. The little trick-or-treaters will be out. Oh, I just thought of something. I could just be Jason with a chainsaw. That would be awesome. Probably scare a few kids. Probably get the police called on me. I'm thinking I'm going to... Oh, crapola. Okay. Well. Oh. Okay. That's the reason. That's what I got going on. I'm turning the screw the wrong direction. So to tighten it, you actually turn it righty-tighty. Wow, have you ever heard that in your life? Oh, yeah, I've heard that one before. Amazing. Okay. And, well, the instructions just flew away. Those instructions I haven't been reading. Okay, I got my hands full. Dropping everything in the world. Yeah, don't pick up on what I'm doing here. If you've continued to stay tuned, I'm sorry for all this craziness in this video. I probably would have hit the end button right now. No, I wouldn't, because I really wanted to see a review on this before I bought it. I got it for, I don't know, I think $89 plus tax and shipping. I really wanted to see a real review from somebody using it, not the little promotional video that, you know, that I would think would be hokey as anything and not serving me well because they want to sell it. So, let's see, tighten this little thing up. Alright, that chain needs tightened up just a little bit more. A little concerned that it doesn't have an oiler on it. I guess then at that point I'd make sure I just don't overheat it. Don't go try cutting down. Wow. Alrighty. Well, we're going to go test it out. Come along with me and we'll test this booger out. I'm going to put on some gloves to protect myself. Let's see what we got. I've been waiting for this thing to come because I've got some branches that I want to cut up. That I've wanted to cut up. And let's see. Now I'm going to switch that camera around and hopefully this will still go. Well, I don't think I can do that. Well, that's okay. So, hopefully, all will work well. Gonna go out here in my backyard. Be prepared. I got a German Shepherd here that's probably gonna try to attack me because she'll want to play fetch. Here she comes. Look, there's Zoe. Yep. Yeah, keep in mind she's also going to be stealing branches. Ouch, she just tried to bite my chainsaw. Crazy dog. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. Got quite a pile of brush. Hopefully, let's see, this first time. Oh my. Okay. Wow. Did I anticipate that? No, I did not. Hopefully you can see this. Let's see. Keep in mind, this is me not holding the branch as I'm cutting it. Okay. I'm thinking I'm going to have to give this little booger 2 enthusiastic thumbs up. Oh my goodness. This thing. Yeah, I've got quite the pile back here that I have to trim up. So I'll be doing that without a camera in my hand. Let's see what else we can do with this. Hi, Zoe. Let's see. She likes to steal all my sticks, and obviously she likes to play fetch with them. I've got this little stack over here. Oh, there she goes. She's going to steal them. She likes stealing sticks. Oh, look. See? She's got that one there. So then, I'm going to try to cut this tree down. Let's see if it's going to work. Just kidding. I am not going to try to cut that tree down. So, guess I would have to say, thumbs up on this. Hope this video helped you see that it does work. That's just with the charge that was on the battery when it was sent. Have not charged it up. That was straight out of the box. So, yeah. Hopefully the motor will last, the battery will last, the chain will last, because no clue where to get these things replaced from. So, righty, hopefully that helps you. Take it. Really, Zoe?